Okay, so guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick video tutorial for downloading Minecraft for free and the original version, and you can also get a alternate token. So I'm going to now listen. This is the Minecraft launcher. Okay, if I open this, it will look like this. So I delete my I remove my Microsoft login account. I also have Microsoft login account. So for doing this video, I remove it. So our video is going to be in Mojang login. Okay, sorry. Or you can also get Microsoft login. If you buy the game, you can also get Microsoft login. Yes, Microsoft login. Okay, further wasting time, let's close it and let's get to how to download Minecraft original version. So you need to go your browser and type Minecraft. I forgot Minecraft. Go to their official website, minecraft.net. Click on it. Get Minecraft. There it is. Free. Get it. No, I'm joking. Go to computer. You can get also three different operating systems: Linux, Mac OS, Windows for PC. And go ahead and click on PC. Don't do this. Click on Minecraft Java Edition, the classic. The classic. Okay. So there it is. Just try Minecraft. That's all you need to do. I already have bought Minecraft, so I lost my money. I'm joking. It's all fine. Buying it's the best thing. So how do you get it free? Just delete everything from this slash. Don't delete this slash. If you delete it, press it again or type it again. Okay, now type download. What? Download, and they will redirect you to the download site. Click on download. After saving it, it will look like this. Microsoft installer.msi. Open it. It will give you a security warning, but don't get panicked. It's all fine. No viruses. I already checked it out. Everything. Then I'm making this video for you guys. For you guys can play Minecraft for free. Okay, run. Now listen, I already installed it, right? There is, I show you there it is the Minecraft launcher. So if I click next, I can't able to install. So I have two options: remove and repair. Repair is going to be again install it, but it will delete old file and copy new files. Okay, I'll go ahead and click cancel, finish. After you install, after you installed, it will look like this. Okay, I already show you guys how it will look like this. Your languages should be here, so you can also get Microsoft login and Mojang login. So our video is going to be in Mojang login. So after installing this, open it for once and don't close it. Okay, go to your browser, go to Google, type easymc. What? Easymc. Easymc. Go to easymc.io, click on it. Not in the get account right now. Go ahead and click on client. Close the ad block up, and it will give you two different options. Okay, So I told you guys, you can also get for Mac OS and Windows. You can get Linux here. Okay. So I'm go ahead and click on EasyMC. After downloading it, it should look like this. If it's not, don't download it. Okay. It will look like this after downloading it. They give you a screenshot over here. Okay. EasyMC. Just go ahead and open this. It should be like this. If it not, it looks like this and it stays on Mojang. Go ahead and click on EasyMC. Okay, the best part is you can get from the alternate token from by clicking this website, and it will redirect you to your browser. Okay, and so you can get also get account from easymc.io and go ahead and open this. I'm going to block my pad using my game player. Okay, so our video is going to be in Mojang login. Go ahead and you click on Mojang login. Type on get account. Click on get account, not type. If it don't works, you need to just get. You need to get alternate account. Okay, you need to get alternate account. Get new account. Okay, type. Click on get new account, and it will look like this. Okay, so it will look like this. So you can also copy from here, but I can copy from here because I am blocking my own path. So you can copy from here, copy alternate token. It's copied. Go to your Minecraft login. Now paste it here. Okay, just paste it here. You guys already see it, but if you get that once, it's all fine. You just need to copy your alternate token, and remember, you need to copy this alternate token in your notepad and save your password and alternate token. Okay, so if you lose it, you can also say, so you can also account your you saved your account in Minecraft because Minecraft saves your account for lifetime. Okay, so just open a notepad, click your password like this, and the account whatever. Okay, I'm going to make my password. Okay, I'm going to copy paste my password, and look, these three letters is similar to the alternate token. Just look, PSW. Okay, and PSW, then don't close it. Now just click on login, and it's loading, and there you have it, your free and new alternate token and Mojang account. Okay, this is your account. Placid no R4. Okay, now you can just go ahead and play it. All finished. Just close your browser. Just close everything. everything. For max speed, it will take some time. Everything is going to be live. I'm not doing fake videos. It will work for you 100% like me. So the best part is you can also get multiplayer head server, okay, from here, and you can also get single player. I'm going to Devjit Swal in the Microsoft login account, okay. So I'm going to make new world, okay. Create new world, game mode survival, create new world. So it's loading. Wait a second, it's loading. 15%, 23%, 31, 43, 54, 66, 74, 100%. Nice. What? And there it is. I can also cloud fast, auto fast, graphics fast. Okay, render. I'm going to into done, back to game. Now it's smooth. I'm using video recorder with Bandicam. It's why it's so lagging. That's why it's like okay. So there you have it. The Minecraft for free. Now just go and download and or buy. I already have Microsoft login account. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys helped with my videos. If you like this video, subscribe. Let me know if this video helps you. So that's it, and I will see you guys in the next video. So bye and take care.